Uh, so today I will discuss how can you implement the IoT application which can be used for the medical purpose, right? So one of the application that is heart rate monitoring system. Okay, so how can we immediately check the person's heart rate is normal or regular or not? This we can immediately check. Okay, and if anything, any discrepancy is there or any irregularity is there, you can get a proper message immediately, right? So in the real life, how can you design the heart rate monitoring system, right? So whether my prototype is working fine or not, for this thing you can directly check whatever the systems or whatever the connection, whatever the circuit we have made, that is properly working or not. For them better to check in the Tinkercad, right? So for measuring the heart rate, there is a pulse sensor. You can measure in the real life. You can measure the heart rate by pulse rate sensor. Okay, and thermometer is there for measuring the body temperature, right? So here in our case we have used the function generator. Okay, so we have used the function generator for measuring the heart rate. Okay, so the function generator, you can regulate the function generator if any if there is if difference in the heart rate, we can regulate the function generator. Whether I will check if the any discrepancy or irregularity is there, which can be operated by the function generator, there we can get some output message, right? So for heart rate monitoring, function generator is used for heart rate monitoring system. Okay, and red light, there are the two LED we have used. So one is the red LED, another is the green LED. Okay, so red LED, that is normally if your heart rate is normal. Okay, this thing can be detected by the if red LED is blinking, means your heart rate is normal. If the suddenly the green LED will blink, then you can consider that your heart rate is not normal. That thing is regulated by, that thing is operating by the function generator. So in case of the pulse generator, automatically the generator will give some information so that the green LED will blink. But in this case we are regulating, we are changing the function generator value so that the green LED will be turned on if the heart rate is not normal. Okay, so secondly, that is the temperature sensor we will use for the detecting body temperature. Okay, temperature sensor used for detecting the body temperature. Eh, here if the body temperature is high or the for a certain limit, so for that the buzzer will be played. Okay, so what are the components are required? One is the function generator, two kinds of the LED. One is the red LED, another is the green LED, the temperature sensor, then the buzzer. This much components are required. So if your execution is working fine, then you can build the real-time prototype, right? Now come to the circuit which I have designed on the Tinkercad, right? So main thing is that Arduino the kit is required. So this is the function generator that is acting as the pulse rate sensor, so which can measure the heart rate, right? So in from the pulse sensor, so from the function generator, the black connection that is connected to the ground of the breadboard, and the red connection that is connected with the analog pin, because it is giving the analog data, continuous data. The pulse generator is giving the continuous data. Okay, so here normally the analog pin is connected, right? So for ground connection and power supply connection is already there between the power breadboard and the Arduino, right? So this is the green LED. You can see this is green LED and this is red LED. Okay. So know that cathode pin is connected with the ground and anode pin is connected with through the resistor with the Arduino. Okay. And now this is the temperature sensor. Okay, so temperature sensor, there are the three pins. So one pin, middle pin is connected with the analog pin of the Arduino, and left and right side pin, the positive and negative pins are connected. The Buzzer is connected with the positive terminal of the Arduino, and the negative terminal is connected with the ground pin. Okay. So this is about the entire connection. Now I will go to the Tinkercad. So here in this for before going to the Tinkercad, I want to tell you one thing. So temperature sensor and the function generator. These two are will be acted as what kind of the device? These two will be acted as a the input device. Okay, this is giving the information to the Arduino. Okay, so based on the input information, some logical conditions, the Arduino will give some output to the LED and the buzzer. So two LEDs and the buzzer, that too will be acted as a output device, right? So now I will come to the Tinkercad platform. Here the TKL platform, the hardware monitoring system is designed here. So connection I have already discussed in the previous lecture. Previous slide, right? Here you can see that this are connected to the A0. This temperature sensor is connected to the A1. The green LED is connected to the 3, and red LED is connected to the 2. 4 is connected to the buzzer. Now I have come to the code section. Okay, so as this A0, A1, these are the function generator and temperature sensor pin. These two are storing in a two variable, and for reading those data, temperature data, function generator data, two variable are required. One is a val and another is a temperature. And buzzer pin is also declaring here. Another void setup function, you can declare all the pins whatever connected, what will be the mode of the pin. So LED pin number 2, pin number 3, and pin number 4. These three will be output pin. A1, A0, these two will be the input pin. A0 I have not mentioned, but you can mention also, but it is not mandatory to mention the A0. Okay. So serial monitor, serial begin, serial print. So this message it will be display when you start the program under the serial monitor window. Okay, so you can also display this message on the LCD screen when and the LCD, how the program will to write for LCD. This I have already discussed in the previous lecture. This also you can see. Okay, so now under the void loop function, you have to write the main set of instruction or code. Here the temperature data and the function generated data, these two are storing, and the two variable, how what will be the function for this purpose, analog read function, right? So the function generator, temperature sensor, these two are giving the analog data, multiple data these are giving, right? So analog read. Okay, so these two formulas are required for getting the physical data into the temperature data, whatever data will be visible on our screen, computer screen. Okay, so temperature data also you can see under the serial monitor window. You can see. I will run the program and I will show you. So here, okay, so you can put some condition, function generator condition. So if the pulse rate is between in that range, then the only red light will be turned on, and green light will not be turned off on. Okay, so red light will be blinking. Okay, this for instruction for red light, right? So green light, this will be turned off continuously. Okay, right? So next is the, if the other condition is there, then you can assume that heart rate is not normal, so the green light will be turned on for that. Okay, along with the red light, green light will be turned on. So this four set of instruction for the temperature sensor. If temperature is suppose more than 40 degree, the buzzer will be turned on, otherwise buzzer will be turned off, right? So this is about the code. Now I will show you the output. Okay, so first I'm showing the serial monitor output. You can see the temperature data you can see here. Okay, the continuously you can see the temperature data, right? And this is normal. Second, so now the heart rate is normal. Okay, you can see that this you can increase or decrease. So now continuously increasing the function generator value. The green LED is turned on and blinking only, and See, now the green light is, that means the heart rate is not normal. The green light is blinking continuously along with the red light. But delay time is different for both green light and red light. Now, if you increase the temperature, you can see the buzzer is displaying. Okay, this is for the thermometer, right? So one thing I want to mention, that I want to design the real-time problem, the function generator should be replaced with the pulse sensor, and the temperature sensor that should be replaced with the thermometer if you want to build the real-time heart rate monitoring system. And you can also include the cloud thing along with this platform for storing those data into the cloud platform, right? So in the upcoming lecture, I will show different various interesting topic. So please like, share, subscribe my channel, and thank you.